we're building an AI tool, but we didn't start with code. First, we talk with our customers. Hear the honest story of how we almost launched in 30 days. Most attractive part of building a startup, so there is a shift that's happening. I think every fucking founder is making 30 days. Is why an AI search presence monitoring tool. With Antoine, my co-founder, we made Cardinal, which is a company that provides digital business cards to other companies. And we made 15k of monthly revenue, and 90% of this came from SEO. Now, with Antoine, we talked together and we thought that any of us is Googling anymore. We are more searching on GPT or Perplexity before getting any answer or Googling something. So we found this is a great opportunity. Second, we just looked on the market if there is any solution, and they are, which is a really good thing, because if there are solution, it means there is a market. So this is really nice because there is a shift that's happening. Search is changing a lot, but the actual SEO tools aren't changing. So this creates a really big gap in the market, and we really want to know how we can provide a good solution for this area. To give you more context, we are bootstrap founders. It means we have no external investors, only our fundings to create this, which is actually the first differentiator because everyone in this market is building with external funding. We are really convinced that you don't need any money to search for a solution. You need money maybe to build and to distribute the products you made. But before, while you're searching, money is really necessary. So first, we didn't build an MVP. What we did is that we wanted to validate our idea, and the fact is that building MVP, you already trying to validate other things than the idea itself. I will explain that. It means that when you're building an MVP, you're building a login screen, a register screen, a setting screen, etc. And all of these flows are really useless for validating your idea because you don't actually really care if someone signed up because you made a really good sign up page. You want to know if people will use your product and the question they. So the first 30 days was really to ask questions to people, and it is far more easy to get answers when you outreach if you have already something to show them, something about them. And this is what we did for the first weeks. We tried to make a report tool, so you just put the website and we made the manual works to create this dashboard, and you have a brief AI search presence overview, and this leads to a lot of different things. So this is great, this is not great, I would prefer to see that, this is missing. So all of this question was really great, and we could iterate on it, and then it's more easier to create a product with this feedback than without anything, because actually you build a product to help people, and if you don't know the problem of the people you helped, it's really difficult to help them. Only 1 week after starting the startup, we did something really simple, is that we tried outreach, but we are not good people at outreach. But we know a little bit about social media, and especially on LinkedIn. And so the first way to try to get some insight is to find the posts that people did on this subject and comment interesting things. And then you get people to come on your website or to talk with you because you said, oh, hey, I have maybe a solution for you. This can help. Do you want to get free reports, or do you want to get any maybe answer to your problems? So This leads us to some feedback we get from 5 to 10 calls a week. This is really the most attractive part of building a startup. So if you don't like to talk with your customer, you already lost. It's so great because every day you talk with someone that said, "Oh, it can really help me, like I'm lost in this field, and this tool, this little tool we made like in 2 days, help them to know, okay, which website mentioned me, which source is the best for my business category, what are the best competitors on this field, to who I'm losing to." So this was really interesting discussion, and this led us to create better products to help them. And actually, better product is a product that help more people, and not more by the number of people, more by these people get more value from your product. Then 2 weeks in, we made the mistake that I think every fucking founder is making, is to build a too complicated product. Because I had a real struggle, because I'm used to build with AI for several months, several years now. But the fact is that built with AI, you control the output, and we tried to add some magic directly in the product by putting AI in the features itself. But it's so difficult to control the output of them. It's so non-deterministic that the product became real difficult because you have to handle a lot of edge case. And then we just ditched down the 3 days of works, and we made something really simple. In our product, you have 3 objects. You have the prompts, you have the competitors, and you have a worker that take prompts and run it on different model every day or every weeks, and that's it. Actually, it's the only thing that people need. Then with these results, you can make reports, you can make dashboards on the mentions, the sources, everything, but we had to build the basics to iterate on it. So we didn't launch in 30 days. That is the truth. It will took 35 or 37, but it's okay. It's okay because we built something, and this something gave us a lot of insights on the SEO market right now. And so it's better to just, we build something overcomplicated, just put it in the trash and create another things from scratch. 5 lessons I wish I knew before starting. First, start with the manual things before creating an AVP with users. This is what we did that we didn't do for the first startup we made before Cardinal. So this is one of the best things to do because it's so faster to make it. And actually, with today, with Bolt, with Lovable, you can do really simple things really fast. Second, find your unfair advantage. The unfair advantage we have is that we already made money with SEO. Not enough of people are using SEO as a main acquisition channel, and you have to build in the space that you already know, which is really easier. We made this mistake with the first startup because we were building digital business card, but we didn't add a paper business card before starting the business, so it was far more difficult to understand the usage and how people will use the product. Third, don't build alone, get a co-founder. When I was struggling because I overcomplicated the product, the software, Antoine told me, man, just chill, because if you just see these 1, 2, 3 competitors, they are just making some really simple things, and they're already making money. So let's start really smaller and simpler, and it will work. And this help to have someone that you can talk to. Even it can be like someone else in your environment, another founder, another entrepreneur, because it really helps you to know where to put the efforts. Because when you spend 3 days or 4 days, 12 hour week a day, yeah, 12 hours a day to build something and just put it in the trash, it's really cool that it only 3 days and not 10 or 20 or like 2 months. Your first version should be too simple. Really, you have to just shrink it to the maximum. What is the best value you have with a little thing, and this is your product first, and then you iterate on it. But you have to find something that people are willing to pay for, that it's so tiny, but if it's so tiny and people pay for, you find a thing really great, because you can iterate on it and charge more and get more customer then. The last things, you can get your first customers without knocking doors, outreach or things like that. Just by showing up online, getting on the subject that people are talking about your things or what you build, it's so useful. And it's so easy to just comment and react to other people's stuff, because people are already talking about this. So just react to it, add value, and then people will ask what you do, how can you help me, etc. So this is really helped us to get like more than 30 calls. So yes, that's the first 30 days of Zero Click. We made an AI search brand presence tool. You can find us on the zeroclick.app. If you want to try the beta, just leave a comment or reach out directly on the website, and we're more than happy to get you on board. If you have any question about maybe something I missed, or you have any question about this subject, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you for another video.